This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Stacy Osterkamp. Brand new premier contemporary designed solar home in the new Green Vista neighborhood. Experience a simpler lifestyle in this single-level attached home that boasts smooth-faced cabinets with solid quartz counters and high-end finishes throughout. This energy-efficient home includes solar panels, tankless hot water, mini split heat pumps with AC, home warranties transferred to new owner, fenced back patio area and low-maintenance yard with drought-tolerant plants. Enjoy the walkable neighborhood, and easy access to Cordata Park, I-5 and shopping. Perfect for the person who wants low house maintenance living or a second home. For more information, review the details below or contact Stacy Osterkamp at 360-671-5000.